5, the triangle inequality. Smallest to largest. What's our smallest? RS. Don't forget your notation.
ST.
STTS doesn't matter. Okay, and then TR. Awesome. All right, so angle smaller than angle 1. Remember, we're looking at the triangle, so we're going to have 3 and 4 and 6 and 5.
Could you also prove that 2 is less because of...
So, yeah, and Alexander, that's where in the video yesterday I was like, oops, I made a mistake. It says just using the exterior angle theorem. So that's just going to be then. Can we then prove angle 2 is smaller or 2? Yes, by a linear pair, but that's not what it's asking there. So just be careful with that. Okay, I do have this as a handout for you. What is the triangle inequality theorem? So if we think about this mathematically and in terms of life, if we look at the first one, PQ plus QR has to be bigger than RP. So when we're thinking of a triangle, if QP and QR, if those aren't bigger, so let's say it's like that, if this is smaller, it's not going to connect. Okay? So it just means that every opposite, so PQ plus QR, it must be bigger than PR because it won't connect if not. Okay? So if, like, this is 16 inches and this plus this is 12 inches, they won't connect. Okay? So it makes sense intuitively. So when we add both of the other sides, they must be bigger than the third side. So, is it possible with these sides? So is 3 plus 3 bigger than 8? No, so we're already, no. So if we actually were to measure that out using, so we've got a side of 8 inches. Oh gosh, this has been, all right, so we've got one that's 8 inches long. This is my rough sketch, right? There's 8 inches. Here's 3 inches. Here's another 3 inches. Is there any way I'm going to be able to connect to that part? Could I connect like this?
Yes.
Yeah, but we're not trying to form the triangle like that. We're trying to form it to the end. So the first one would be no. Second one, is 6 plus 6 greater than 12? Equal to. So this is a no. Still a no. It's not going to reach because if we have 12 inches, 6 and 6, it's like real close, but it's not going to make it because it has to angle out. Right? It doesn't make a straight line. Because if we added them together, it would make a total straight line. Doesn't work. Is 9 plus 5 greater than 11?
Yes.
Is 5 plus 11 greater than 9? Is 9 plus 11 greater than 5? Yes. So do you have to check all of the sides? Yeah. Make sure you check them all. All right. 6.5 plus 6.5 is
13.
13. Is that bigger than 14.5? Nope. Nope. Is 6.8 plus 7.2 bigger than 5.1?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Is 7.2 plus 5.1 bigger than 6.8? Is 6.8 plus 5.1 bigger than 7.2? Yeah. Easy peasy, right? Give it a try. Why isn't it working? Oh, is it already polling? Must be. Are your things colored? Okay, it should work now. Hopefully I put an answer in there. Why not? Which side doesn't work?
Logan. Because 11.5 plus 8.5 equals 20.
Not 20 and a half.
Less than 20 and 1/2.
Try this one. Nice. All right, this one we're going to do together. So in PQR, it tells us that PQ is 7.2 and QR is 5.2. And we want to know which side, what this cannot be. Okay, so What do we know about 5.2 and 7.2?
Equals 12.4.
Okay, equals 12.4.
So it can't be CB or
Abco.
yeah.
No,
Oh,
it can't be
oh,
13
yeah, no, yeah.
because this plus this has to be greater
Yeah.
than the other side, so it can't be 13.
Yeah. So. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because this is, so 12.4 is bigger than 7, so that works. 12.4 is bigger than 9. And the way that would work is like, we could draw it a little wider for 9, and then like a little skinnier for 7, things like that. All right, try this one. Awesome. Okay, so last thing. A triangle has one side of 8 and another side of 17. Use inequalities to describe the possible lengths of the third side. Okay, so what do we know about those two sides? They have to be
25. Yeah.
So it has to be less than 25.
So we add them together, we get 25, and we know that that has to be bigger than our third side. So could the third side be 24?
Yeah.
Could it be 1?
Yes.
Yeah, it's just going to depend how you draw your triangle. It could.